All right, how about we kick it to Tesla? That was in the news
Do it.
yesterday. The EV maker got a nice bump after retail sales data from China showed strong Q1 sales in response to the automaker's price cuts. Tesla's rally also pulled the rest of the sector into the green. EV names Rivian, Canoo, Lucid rallying on the good news. Mark, are you tracking any big trades in the EV space as investors put their moolah back in this sector?
I mean, this is just more clear signaling that uh, they're definitely thinking interest rates are not going to go higher more than that. But Tesla's interesting. Right now, I'm eyeing some of these pops to find a way to get short some of these names like that are going to go the way of the dodo. Lucid. I think Rivian has some issues. On top of the fact, I think the truck is ugly. Canoe. Tesla, short at your own risk, but some of these lesser companies, I think if we do get a pop out of here, it's an excellent opportunity to take the other side of any pop. Tesla set aside.
Why Tesla set aside?
You just don't mess with Tesla. You don't try and short cult stocks, right? You can short them for a little bit, but you can't put on big bear positions in cult stocks because they will eat you up. And Tesla is a cult stock, and frankly, it is the best. It is the strongest of any of these names. It's like you've got 4 fights, all of which you could bet against the underdog. You bet against Glass Joe. You bet against Piston Honda, Great Tiger.
Are you saying the bet against Rudy?
Bald Bull, right?
Are you saying the bet against Rudy, the underdogs?
Yeah, Tesla is Bald Bull, but Lucid is Glass Joe. All right,
I watched
Lucid
somebody
is
lose to Glass Joe once.
What?
I watched somebody lose to Glass Joe in college in Mike Tyson's Punch-Out. Lost to Glass Joe.
I always lost to Glass.
Well, don't think you're going to win a fight if you're made out of glass. I'm just saying. Garrett, Tesla sales. There's an update of healthy economic demand out of China. Is this healthy, or is this just a one-off data point with this cult favorite?
It's a one-off data point. There's a great little report that came out from the IEA that nobody's paying attention to today, and it said that they are effectively loosening restrictions in Europe around EVs that would allow for this ban that they have in 2035 for gas-powered combustible engines, that there will be exceptions. And there's going to be more exceptions. There's no way this happens. So the fact that they're going to try to ban this stuff, look, Tesla's going to benefit. I like Tesla for the long term, one, because it is a cult stock, and secondly, because they're going to transition and focus on the battery operations. And it's the battery operations and the arbitrage in batteries, which is what we do in Finland, that will be a significant opportunity for them. It's just going to take 10 years for them to really get up to that scale. But at the same time, just keep in mind, if you're going to bet on EVs, do it with the union-based companies. Focus on General Motors and focus on Ford. They continue to be the ones that benefit most from the government-forced transition to EV.